So this is the teeth whitening kit from Venus Visage, the Pro Series, and they sent this to us so that we could show it to you. It's the bright white teeth whitening gel with 35% carbamide peroxide, and it removes years of stains, it says, but it's safe for your enamel and has a little bit of a minty flavor. And you can see here it has 8 different syringes and a little color chart so you can kind of figure out where your teeth are on the spectrum now, and then see if you can get it down a shade or two by using these. And they say use them like every other day and each one of these syringes, there's a little tip you put on the end of the syringe, but each one of these syringes has 3 days worth of 3 treatments, basically. You can see you can see the markings on there. There's a 1 and a 2 and a 3, so you use basically a third of it each time. But this particular refill kit does not come with a tray, so I don't have a tray. I'll have to go grab one in order to try it out. But you just dispense with the syringe a third of it each time, and you can dispense it onto your teeth or onto your aligner or your retainer or a dental tray or something like that. So anyway, good stuff.